Feeling stuck? Like every time you apply for something, you keep hearing no, and your credit score feels like it's set in concrete? Well, what if I told you a simple purchase you make every week could be the key to breaking free? You're buying gas anyway, but you might be missing the single biggest chance to turn that boring expense into a powerful credit building tool. Forget about complicated strategies. That little gas card you've probably seen advertised at the pump could be the secret weapon you need to finally go from denied to approved. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the step-by-step strategy to turn your weekly fill-up into a FICO boosting machine. So why does this actually work? It's pretty simple. Most major gas cards are backed by banks, and they report your payments to the three big credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Your payment history makes up a whopping 35% of your FICO score. So by creating a new track record of on-time payments, you're directly improving the most important part of your score. Plus, these cards are often easier to get approved for than a fancy rewards card, which makes them the perfect starting point if your credit file is a little thin or has taken a few hits. Alright, here's the simple 4-step game plan. First, get the right card. Start with a card for a specific gas station, since they tend to have easier approval requirements. The most important thing is to confirm it reports to all three credit bureaus before you apply. Second, use the card for one thing and one thing only: gas. Don't go buying snacks and drinks. This isn't your lifestyle card, it's a tool. This keeps your spending predictable and easy to manage. Third, and this is the golden rule: pay your balance in full and on time every single month. Go set up autopay right now. Gas cards are known for having crazy high interest rates, often over 25%, but that doesn't matter one bit if you never carry a balance. Fourth, here's the pro move. Pay your balance before your statement closing date. If your limit is $300 and you buy $60 in gas, you've used 20% of your credit. But if you pay it off before the statement is even created, the bureaus see a very low utilization percentage. And that's the second biggest factor in your score. It's time to stop thinking of gas as just an expense. It's your ticket to building a better financial future. This strategy is so effective because it's simple and repeatable. Use the card just for gas, pay it off immediately, and prove you're a responsible borrower. Do this consistently, and you will watch your FICO and Vantage score climb faster than you thought possible. For more simple, actionable tips to build your credit, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. You can absolutely take control of your score starting today.